we know your love for dance, so any studios that come to your mind or any places where you really learned dance or even taught dance for that
I'm
matter?
actually a self-taught dancer,
Hmm.
and the entire credit I would give it to Ganesh Acharya, Masterji.
Yeah.
That's because I was a dancer in his group, and then I became an assistant. So the thing is that the more you practice one thing, you get better at it. So that is the entire case.
Wow. Okay.
And yeah, I wasn't a two-leg feet person. I knew how to dance, but I just got better with it.
Yeah. And of course, when you started in the movies, so any memories of any studios where your first movie was shot or any, such memories that come to mind?
Jai Ho, the first schedule happened in Dubai,
Huh.
and then like there was a set which was in Film City. So there are a lot of things, when I talk about studio, like I've been an extra, I've been a dancer, I've been an assistant, I've been an
Hmm.
actor. So I've done so many things in all the studios, and I have a lot of memories in each phase of my life.
Hmm.
So there's not one particular where I can say कि ये यहाँ पे बहुत मजा आया वो वहाँ पे,
Huh.
because I literally believe in enjoying the moment, and that's about it.
And if you had to recommend 5 places to anybody new to Mumbai, so which do you think would top your list?
I mean, they definitely should go to Bade Mia in
Hmm.
town
Yeah.
if they are a foodie, and definitely after 10 p.m. Uh, go go for a marine drive. Not now because the construction has really. I don't want to use the word.
Yeah.
So yeah, but yeah, I think they should definitely go for a night drive because that would
Hmm.
be much nicer. Secondly, do visit the Geo Mall because that's absolutely beautiful. Third, go to the Palladium Mall. The reason I say malls is because do we have any place here where we
Yeah.
cannot go? I mean, we can go. I don't think there's any such open place. So these are the places, like if they can visit the Mahalakshmi race course, they
Huh.
should. Then definitely go enjoy the food at Juhu because
Yeah.
the food is still awesome there. And yeah, probably just go have a walk at Bandstand or Carter
Yeah.
Road, and the Mount Mary Church. Yes, there's Ashram Mandir in Vilepale where they
Hmm.
should definitely go. In fact, Sannyas Ashram is really iconic because when I was really small, like when I was in my school,
Huh.
like earlier school days, like I did till third standard, I was in Vilepale school.
Gotcha.
So we used to live near this mandir, which is Sannyas
Hmm.
Ashram, and वहाँ पे बहुत सारी shootings होती थी.
Okay.
So
Gotcha.
yeah, I have been a spectator also for
Huh.
shoots when I was like what 6 7 years, wee tiny. So yeah, these are the places that you should really go.
So maybe right from childhood you were destined to be in the movies.
Maybe
Yeah.
I don't know.
You are a foodie, so any memories when it comes to food?
Oh God, the biryani and the shekurma.
Yeah.
Yes, I love that. But the thing is that I have turned vegetarian since last 2.5 years,
Okay.
and so like the authentic non-veg biryani is out of the question for me. But I'm pretty sure that the veg biryani also serves the purpose.
And is that also because of your love for animals? And is that the reason you also decided to?
That is a part of my
Ach-
reason, yes. But then I started practicing spirituality, and then I understood that I think I should give up now.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.